And let's go like and comment, and all the links are in the description. There's a doggy following us. I'm gonna flip the camera and I'm gonna show y'all all these beautiful coconut trees. Look at all of those. All right, so we're on the way to feed the piggies, and I'm gonna share the live right now. Links are in the description or in the comments. Good afternoon. Look at all these big coconut trees. Wow.
We have one viewer.
So, what do you think, baby, with the pigs?
I think the pigs is ready to
be pork chop. So basically she's
ready
saying
to harvest.
ready to harvest. She means they're ready to die. They're ready to become lechon. They're ready to become adobo. Baboy adobo. Good afternoon, Ricky. How are you?
Kamusta?
Okay, now look at the, we gotta go around this right here. Wow. Oh my god. Careful, babe. Okay, we made it alive.
Yeah, but my baby he broke the mirror. He broke the mirror.
Yeah, it's kind of dropped the motorbike, and well, I did drop it
Sinanay.
because I stopped, and the way that it was leveled, I fell to the right side.
Nanabo na mo?
So now, oh, this
Ay, nanabo na ka.
one's a banana right here. The way I fell, it broke the whole tree. I mean, the whole mirror.
Agoy. Look, man.
Grab the feet here.
Well, let me get the broom.
I know, but where are you gonna put these? Hold it. My God. The stupid chicken trying to eat the... Oi! Where did you come from? Where did you visit the Philippines, Rick? Now the chicken wants to eat. Órale, cabrona. It's not your turn. Get! Get out the chicken.